Good morning, dear students. We are doing table tag. Let us start. The next attribute of the table tag, cell padding. This attribute is used to set the distance between the cell border and the cell data. Means if you want to give a space between the cell border and the data, by default there doesn't remain the space between the cell border and cell data, but if you want to give space, then you can use cell padding. You are looking at the example. One more attribute is here, cell spacing. Cell spacing attribute is used to give the space between the cells. How much space you want to give between the cells of the table, then you can use the cell spacing. The space is given in the pixels. In the example you can see table border equal 3, border color equal purple, BG color equal white, line equal center, and cell spacing is equal 10. All these attributes I have told you in the last programs. Next attribute, height and width. In this, by using this attribute, you can define the height and the width of the table. By default, when the table is created, it creates according to the data, means how much data we are writing in the table, that table will be created accordingly. But if we want to change the size of the table manually, then we can change it also by using its attribute height and width. Here one program is given, and in this program all the attributes which I taught you, all the attributes are given here in this example. You have to watch this and read this example, and if you face any problem you can contact me. Thank you, dear students.